Hi friends of KC, it's art attack time. I've made a nature picture frame and you can make one too. It's pretty easy to do. All you need is a piece of cardboard, a pencil, and some scissors. As you can see, I made a shape of a heart and it says, "I love nature." I found some pretty white flowers and look who it is, my dog Skipper.
Do you see what I see? That's a mourning dove sitting on her nest on top of the light of my garage. There's two babies in there, and you can see one poking just over the top of the nest. I made a butterfly picture frame, but you can make whatever shape you like. This is looking up at my cherry tree. I can't wait for those cherries to be ready so I can eat them.
Go outside with your picture frame and find things in nature that interest you. Take a picture of it and post it to the classroom, as we'd all love to see what you found in nature. Don't forget to have fun, friends. Bye for now.